Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man 2099. It's going to be just his face on this one though, so it's going to be a more clear version of, view of his mask. This is going to be really simple and really easy, so stick around all the way to the very end. It's for beginners, and I'm going to do it step by step, all right? So let's start over here with kind of the egg shape of the head. So yeah, let me go right here. So let's start with the top of the head here. Boom. Curve right here, like an arc. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw in these 10-minute increments. They're, like I said, easy and fun to do, and you're going to have like a skill that you're going to have for the rest of your life. So absolutely hit that subscribe and the bell. I post 3 times a day. I'm going to pull down over here on this side. Now on that side. Go over here on this side. Pulling down. All right, I'm gonna pull down here. And right at the bottom here, the chin. All right, doing pretty good. So Spider-Man 2099, I think it came out in a post-credit scene in Into the Spider-Verse movie. That's kind of where I see him. I know very little about the character, so I'm excited to see what they do with him. All right, let's go over here. Don't forget to stay at the end, because at the very end I'm gonna do something tied all together. Ooh, excuse me. All right, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull line down. Up here, in. And line up. Draw that symbol on his face. Down. Up here. In. And it's going to curve down just a bit. Curve down over here. I'm going to catch the line over here on this side because it's supposed to go through down here like so. Now I'm going to make a swooping shape right here for the eye area. So I'm swooping up, down, up, down, up over here, in, curve down, out, down, up, curve, out, down, up. So we got these like little notches here on the side of kind of the outside curvature of his, I guess, eye area. Very interesting design. Pulling in, up, out, down. Get it over here on this side. It doesn't have to be, dead on. We're not robots. And it's almost like a practice in how to draw reflections, right? You're kind of doing that up over here, down. You just want to get it close enough. That's kind of like all of drawing, close enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're not robots or anything like that. Just close enough. Up over here, down, up, in. Curvature here, out, down, up, in. Curvature down, up, in. Down here, up. I'm just trying to draw like I'm drawing a mirror here. That's literally all I'm doing. Up over here. Down in. Maybe a little bit line out more over here. And then I'm going to pull down. We're trying to get that reflective thing here. His eyes seem almost a little too close, but it'll work, you know. Alrighty. Good stuff. And I'm going to add a little bit of color this time. I didn't do it the other time, but I think this time it kind of deserves a little bit of color. There's dark blue, or you can do like a light blue like this. I'm going to do this light blue because I think it looks real nice. Do any marker you want, by the way. I like using Prismacolor. The one I'm using now is not. It's just some regular cheap marker. But I like Prismacolor, and I like... just as far as the algorithm goes, especially with the likes, when you press like. And I'm trying to think of like more things to draw. I'm kind of running out of ideas, so if anybody can throw some suggestions out, I will make them happen. You just gotta throw them out here in the comments, like any suggestions. Alrighty. That's it for the blue area. Now I'm going to go in and do the red. See right here, this one I'm going to use a Copic because I have this color. And, you know, a lot of this is just kind of globbing it on. I'm kind of trying to keep it moist at all times. Kind of glob it on. And there you go. That is Spider-Man. You can make it darker, by the way. You can make it darker blue. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly, highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.